Hello guys, today I will show you how to own your own Memecoin website for free. So I will show you step by step tutorial on how to do that because I will be providing the source code on the link on the description. So check on the description to get the source code. And before we get started, you should like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell which will enable you to receive no- which will enable you to be notified each time I will post new video like this. So the source code will be provided on the link on the description. Make sure to check it out, okay? So once you get the zip file, what you need to do is to extract the zip file. This is the zip file. Extract or extract. Now you guys can see it's already extracted, and this is the zip file. Okay, just pay attention. So here is the what you are gonna be getting on this file. You guys can see, the image of the token. Telegram, you can integrate your Telegram links or your Twitter links of the token project. Here is the name. The name, once you tap on the name, it will bring you the session, the picture section of this card. We are going to show you step by step on how to change this and how to customize this, the total supply, the contract address. This is how the website rules, and also the Twitter and the Telegram and the Destina link. We are going to show you how to integrate your own Twitter token project and also the Telegram channel for the token project and the Destina link. Okay, you have to follow this video step by step. I will teach you how, and a live chat from Ledger Swap. This will show you a live chat if you tap on the button, and here we bring you to the buying to the trading session of a Ledger Swap exchange. So, and here is the contract address. I also provided a button which is coded with JavaScript. The JavaScript make it to be functional, and this showed that it has copied the contract address. And also I want to show you that it really copied the contract address. Let me paste the contract address. You guys can see the contract address is on the search bar on the top. It's really working, guys. So I'll be giving the source code for free. Make sure to check the link on the description to get the source code and edit it to your own token project. So without much time, I want to demonstrate how it works. Okay. By the way, I made a video about a professional memecoin website. You can check it out on my previous video. Okay. Now, before we get started, uh, what you need to do is to like and share this video and also subscribe because it will serve as an appreciation for me to be giving this source code for free. So it's this website is a complex website and it's more like the necessary details the user needed. Okay, so by I'll show you how to customize this test on the Hilo session. I'll show you how to customize it. So to customize it, you have to highlight the text. Once you have highlighted the text, Control C to copy. Now I need you to head over to the file. Head over to the file. This is the file. Right click. Don't change the name. Right click. Edit in Notepad. Once you select Edit in Notepad, you have to paste the thing that you copied on the website. Tap on search. Alright, you guys can see there is an highlighted word, and this is the what we actually chat. We actually copied and search. So to change, you know, to customize the write up, you have to cancel the previous write up. Let's say for instance, let me just write a random word, a meaningless word. something that I want to show you guys that it's actually working without going to the VS Code or Visual Machine to edit. Okay, once you are done typing, just head over to the file and tap on save. You are saved, okay, now you have to refresh the website. You guys can notice a change on the laptop. This is the thing that I recently type on the notepad. So this is as well. This is how you can also eh, this is how you can also edit this laptop. Okay. Now um, I know you are going to be wondering on how to change the image. So on how to edit the image, to change the image, to put your own token project image. So let's head over back to the file. So this is the file. You can see the image folder. Let's move into the image folder. Okay, and this is the current image on the hero section. So let's take for instance that you want to change the image to your own image. So I need to get a random image. Let me just go and check for a random image. Okay, let's use the random image. So we have to copy this image. We have to copy this image and head over back to the image folder. Once I head over, I have to paste the image on the folder, and this is the image. So what I will actually do is, first of all, I will have to change the name. So tap on this and right click. Now show more options. Rename. You have to rename the folder. First of all, before we do that, we have to copy the previous name and then add like two again. Now this is the image that we want to replace this image with, so it can show on the hero section of our website. Okay, show more option, rename. So what you actually need to do is to paste the previous name that we copy, which is Ctrl V. You guys can see you guys can see that this bears the previous name of this. So what you need to do is to move back to the website once again. Now refresh the browser. Now you guys can see that the image have automatically changed. Maybe you would want to add your token project image. This is how to customize it to your own token project. And again, and as well, if you want to change you want to change the letters and those telegram letters, you can as well copy and do the same as I performed performed here. Okay, now one thing again you have to know, let's take for instance that you want to integrate your telegram. You want to integrate your telegram to your own link. One thing you should do is that you have to tap on the telegram, just copy the link of the telegram, okay, wait, you have to copy the link of the telegram and click on the arrow back to get back to the previous session. So since we have gotten the link, so you have to move back to the folder once again. And here is the index.html. Right click, edit in notepad. So cancel the previous item. Now paste the telegram link, tap on the search icon. Now you guys can see now you can you can integrate it to your telegram. You can either copy your telegram link and paste it by Control V. You can either copy your telegram link, then you can replace it here. Okay, you can actually replace your telegram link here. So once you are done, click on save. Once you're saved, search it again and it will bring you to the second telegram icon. You need to highlight, then you have to go and copy your telegram link, your telegram URL, then head over here and control V to replace it with your own Telegram link. Okay, so this is how you can also edit the whole link integrated on the website. So I didn't want this video to be so long. And again, if you want to edit the smart contract, one thing again, you can tap on the copy button. You can tap on the copy button. Now you can tap on the copy button, head over to the folder on the index, edit on notepad, then on the find. To get to this find, all you need to do is to tap on edit, find. Now you have to place your contract here, tap on search. All right, you guys can see the contract. You can simply highlight the contract. You can simply highlight. Yeah, this is your legal link, but that's not the case. We are actually looking for the contract. Okay, and here is the contract. Yeah, I think here is the contract, and actually it's for Ledu. Yeah, you have to be very careful. You have to highlight from here. Now replace it with your contract. Copy your contract from the screener and replace it here. Or yeah, I think you should replace it here. And you can also, so there are multiple places. Once you are able to replace it with your, you know, let me just put a random way so it cannot occur again. And tap on the search again. It will recommend the second place where I use the contract as well. You can replace it as your own contract. You can copy and paste your contract and replace it over here. Over here, highlight and hit the Control V to replace it with your own contract, your own token contract. So this is how to edit. Let me just put a random test. This is how to edit your token website, your Memecoin website. And again, let's head back to the browser and see if what we don't actually change. Now you guys can see I recently input the the random letters, and here we recently changed the telegram. We recently changed the telegram name, you guys can see. So I don't want this video to be too long. And to get the previous Twitter link account here, you can tap on the Twitter icon now. Get this, get this. You have to get the link. Control C to copy and head back to the file at the index folder on the index file. Editing on Notepad. Just this is how to do it. Okay, this is how to do it. This is how you can edit integrated social media link. So you can replace this with your own link, your own token project social media link. Once you replace it, then you have to hit the search button so it can bring you to another place where we use the link as well. And you guys can see that there is a second occurrence where we use the link. You guys can notice it. You can edit it. You can replace it with your link. So, and again, yeah. So we are done for today. And as well, this is the image. To replace those image like this image, you can follow the same process. And also to replace this, you can tap on the button to get the link, or you can tap on here to get the link, so you can replace it with your own Ledum link, Ledum URL link. Okay, so this is how to change. And also, in order to change this supply, you have to copy it as well. You have to copy it and head over to the notepad and follow the same process.